Startup Factory is a really great chance for people with bright ideas to really make their ideas come true.
I study computer science. I also like snacks.
We are having a Startup Factory weekend.
I guess it's a little bit like a hackathon with a twist.
Bringing together students from the business school, from computing science and also from the Glasgow School of Art.
Hi, I'm Sophie and I study business management at Glasgow.
I'm studying product design engineering at Glasgow School of Art.
I'm studying mechanical engineering at the University of Glasgow.
I'm Raphael, the computing student. I'm essentially the tech guy.
What are you looking forward to this weekend?
Just working with a great team.
Meet new people, like think of some ideas.
A nice concept for a startup.
Been very busy. And what about Trent's top tip?
1, customer validation. Don't forget your snacks, kids.
Very fun.
Collaboration.
Engaging.
Engaging, because that was my word. Wonderful. Challenging.
But also very rewarding.
And free food!
I think this is a good chance for students to get an idea of what is involved in going about setting up a business.
So the teams have been very busy, working together all day, developing and progressing their business idea.
Potential global businesses.
What are we looking at here?
Some brainstorming, and we thought it would look more professional if you put it on a whiteboard.
So we're trying to build an app that connects the people that are looking for a parking space and the people that are leaving the parking space.
Making people more aware about what they can recycle or not.
A product that is going to revolutionize the way attendance is taken.
The solution in the making.
That's what we do.
Tomorrow's the deadline. What are you going to do to get this done?
We're gonna stay here until we do it. If we need to, stay all night long.
That's what we're gonna do.
I'm really proud of everyone's effort to make it happen. I'm most proud of the students who participated.
Meeting new people, networking, finding out you have skills that you never thought you did.
It's a great way to move in towards a business environment.
Lots of inspiration and I met lots of really good people.
Actually put something together in such a short period of time, it makes you learn so much.
So many different people coming together and sharing their ideas. I think it's beautiful.
Want to get a job after your degree? Come to these types of things.
So many of the ideas the students had come up with in one weekend was just phenomenal.
Absolutely just blown away by the quality of those pitches today.
With the higher education attendance tracker for foreign students.
And as you can see now, networking session to relax and plan the next steps.